We on big. The big go on the bus. We need two thes for me. We need two thes for this sentence. What's this sentence?
You tell me, what does it say?
We the on big go bus.
Does that sound right to you?
Yeah.
Brody.
Which one should go?
How do you think you would say that sentence with we what?
Going.
Okay.
Go. Ing. Go. So where could the go?
You tell me.
In the go spot?
Say the sentence and see if it makes sense.
We going on big the bus. Is that good?
You tell me. Does that make sense? We go on big the bus. So what do you need to change?
Big with the.
Now tell me the sentence.
It's a good one. We go on the big bus.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Awesome.